this is a bird. Hello. Yeah. Super bait siya guys. Itong may-ari. Say hi. Say hi. This is the owner.
Yes.
Mr. Hussein. Mr. Hussein is my friend. Oh. Yeah. Binigay niya yung ibon niya. Bait-bait siya guys. Oh, yung ibon. Ayaw talaga umalis. Oh. Meron pa dito guys isa. Ibon. 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 Say hi to my ibon. Say hi to your ibon. This is in name in the Philippines. Ibon. 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 Siya pong may-ari ng ibon na to. Inalagaan niya. Oh my God. This is very good. Ang bait-bait ng ibon guys. Ibon. Hindi kasi katulad ng ibon na ibon. Meron pa dito guys. Isa. Yun ah. Loro. This is Loro. This is guys. This is Loro. Kulay green. Yan o guys. Yan. And also this is the owner. Oh, this is the owner guys. And this is small birds. This is daw lumipad-lipad na siya. Ayaw na umalis. Okay, bye guys. I will bring this. Okay? Mr. Jose?
What?
I will, you give this to me?
No. You pay 300.
Ayaw na umalis talaga yung ibon. Mahangin kasi guys yung buko. Hangin. Oo, lumipad na. Tumapo na sa
It's
amin.
live?
No, this is not live.
You recorded.
Tumapo na siya sa may-ari. Siya
Why
may-ari.
you like that, my face?
Ha?
My face, why you like that?
What's the problem with your face?
I thought you would filter.
Yes, Hada.
Aywa, born na.
Okay guys, bye.
Now, your son, where